Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn geometry part 2. In the figure, find PR and QR. Find PR and QR. So, right angle triangle. So, right angle triangle means Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Then, PQ 7. PR x plus 1. Q2R x. So, base x and other side is 7. PQ 7 and opposite side hypotenuse value x plus 1, that means P2R. Then next, then it a square shape 90 degree. So 90 degree means right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, what is meaning by the right angle triangle? It is a Pythagorean theorem. Very good. In the figure, triangle PQR is a right angle. Triangle PQR is a right angle. Then PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. Then P2R square, the P2R equal to x plus 1. X plus 1 the whole square equal to 7 square plus x square. 7 square plus x square. X square plus 2x plus 1 square. That means x plus 1 the whole square. A plus b the whole square formula. What is a plus b the whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Then x square plus 2x plus 2x into 1 plus 1 square equal to 49 plus x square. X square cancel. 2x plus 1 equal to 49. Plus 1 transfers to the right hand side, minus 1. Right hand side minus 1. So 2x equal to 49 minus 1. 2x equal to 48. So 2 is multiplied by x. 2 is multiplied by x. Transpose to 2. Transpose to 2 into right hand side divided by 2. 48 by 2. 24 2s are 48. 24 into 24 2s are 48. We get a value x equal to 24. Then next P2R. So x value 24. So 24 plus 1, substitute the value of x plus 1, x equal to 24. 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Then QR value 24. Then other side is 7. Next, the length and breadth of the screen of an LED TV are 24 inches and 18 inches. Find the length of its diagonal. Find length of its diagonal. Diagonal means it is a split into the rectangle into two parts. Rectangle into two parts. So, two equal parts. That is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagorean theorem. Solutions. The length 24 inches and breadth 18 inches. The length and breadth of a LED TV form a right angle triangle with its diagonal. Draw a diagonal line. It is a split into the two equal right angle triangle. So, therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So, AB square 24 square, BC square 18 square. 24 into 24 576. 18 into 80 324. We get the value 900. So 30 square. AC square is equal to 30 square. Square cancel. AC equal to 30. So the length of the diagonal is 30 inches. Length of the diagonal is 30 inches. The length and breadth of a screen of an LED TV are 24 inches and 18 inches. Find the length of its diagonal. Draw a diagonal line. So, two right angle triangle, two equal right angle triangle. The length and breadth of a LED TV form a right angle triangle with its diagonal. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 24 square plus 18 square. 24 square value 576. 18 square value 324. So, we get a value 900. 30 square. AC equal to 30. Length of its diagonal is 30 inches. Do you understand? Find the distance between the helicopter and the ship. Then, draw a right angle triangle A to P. A to P is 80 meter. Base PS equal to 150 meter. So, distance between helicopter and ship. Distance between the helicopter and ship. So that AS, that is AS. AS equal to D. In a triangle, APS is a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. Already you know that the Pythagoras theorem formula, A square plus B square equal to C square. AS square is equal to AP square plus PS square. So AP square value 80 square. PS square value 150 square. So 80 square 6400 plus 150 square 15 square value 225. So add the 22,500. 6400 plus 22,500. Add it, we get the value 28,900. 289 value, square root of 289, 17 square. 17 square. So 170 square. The distance between the helicopter and the ship is 170 meter. Do you understand? Okay. From the figure, AS is the distance between the helicopter and the ship. So AP is 80 meter and other side is 150 meter. That is a PS. That name is PS. So triangle APS is a triangle, right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. AS square is equal to AP square plus PS square. Then AP square 80 square. PS square 150 square. So added the value. Added we get a value 28,900. 289 the square root of 17 square. Then added 1 0. So 20 square root means take a 1. Take a 1 0. 170 square. Distance between the helicopter and the ship is 170 meter. Next one, check whether 2 3 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. 2 3 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So in a right angle, draw a right angle triangle. Base 3 and other side is 2 and hypotenuse 5. 2 square plus 3 square equal to 4 plus 9 13. 5 square 25. So 13 is not equal to 25. It is not a Pythagorean triplet. It is not a Pythagorean triplet. Next one, draw a 2 right angle triangle. 2 right angle triangle. Then ABC, DBA. DBA. So angle B is common. Angle B is common. Okay. Angle BAC. Angle ADB. That is a right angle triangle. Angle BAC. Next one, angle ADB. ADB equal to 90 degree. Okay. So that is a 90 degree. 90 degree means Pythagorean theorem. Therefore, angle ABC equal to angle DBA. Angle DBA. Angle ABC equal to angle DBA. AA similarly. So AA similarly. So that is a equal. Hence the ratio of a corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of our corresponding sides are equal. AB by DB. AB by DB. BC by BA. BC by BA. AB take a base take a same base AB by DB. Next one, BC hypotenuse. BC divided by AB. Another one is a BA. Okay. Next one. So cross multiply. Cross multiply. AB into AB. DB into BC into DB. So similarly, angle AB square equal to BC into DB. Next one, triangle ABC congruent triangle DAC. Angle ABC congruent angle DAC. AC by DC. AC by DC equal to BC by AC. So then next cross multiply. AC square is equal to BC into DB. Adding first and second equation. So first equation is AB square equal to BC into DB. Second equation is AC square equal to BC into DB. Adding 1 and 2. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC into DB plus BC into DC. Next one, take a common BC. Take common BC outside. Take a common BC outside. BC into DB plus DC equal to BC into BC. Next one, AB square plus AC square equal to BC square, and hence proved the theorem. In a triangle ABC and triangle DBA, then B is common. Next one, first proof B common, angle B is common, correct. Second is a 90 degree is a common. So there are two right angle triangle 90 degree, angle BAC, then angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Then next angle ABC congruent to angle DAB. Angle ABC equal to angle DAB. So next, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. AB by DB equal to BC by BA. Then cross multiply. AB square is equal to BC into DB. Then angle ABC congruent to angle DAC. AC by DC equal to BC by AC. AC square is equal to BC into DC. Then next, adding two equation, AB square plus AC square equal to BC into DB plus BC into DB. Then next, BC outside, take a common BC outside, BC into DB plus DC equal to BC into BC. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square, hence proved. Can the sides that measures 15 cm, 20 cm and 25 cm make a right angle triangle? So draw a right angle triangle, base 15 cm and other side is 20 cm and hypotenuse is 25 cm. Then next, right angle triangle formula, A square plus B square is equal to C square. 20 square plus 15 square is equal to 25 square. Then 20 square value 400. Next, 15 square value 225. So 25 square value 625. Then next, Pythagorean triplet. It is proved. Then the given side make a right angle triangle. In the figure, find the value of x. In the triangle, in the figure, find the value of x. A to B 9, B to C 12, A to C x. So triangle ABC, 12 square plus 9 square equal to 144 plus 81. So add the value, we get a value 225 equal to 15 square. So x square equal to 15 square. So square cancel, we get the value x equal to 15. Do you understand? The sides of the triangle 1.2 cm, 3.5 cm and 3.7 cm. Is this triangle a right angle triangle? If so, which side is a hypotenuse? The sides of the triangles are A is equal to 1.0 cm, B equal to 3.5 cm and C is equal to 3.7 cm. So triangle. So right angle triangle means Pythagorean theorem. So formula C square is equal to A square plus B square. So A square plus B square 1.2 square plus 3.5 square equal to 3.7 square. Then next, 5 square. So next 1.2 square. 1.2 square means 1.44. 3.5 square means we get a value 12.25. So next 5 square 25. So we get a value 13.69. C square value 3.1 square. 3.7 square. 37 square value 1369. So 3.7 square value 13.69. 13.69 added. Equal. Left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Hypotenuse C is equal to 3.7 square. 3.7 centimeter. 3.7 centimeter. In the figure, and the value of A and B, verify triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. Okay, now by altitude 1 hypotenuse theorem, AB square is equal to BC into BD. So AB value 10 square, BC value A, BD value 26. A is equal to 100 by 26. So we get a value 50 by 13. Next one is a AD square equal to CD into BD. CD into BD. 24 square is equal to B into 26. 576 divided by 26, we get a value 288 by 13. Cancel it. So cancel by 2, 2. The 576 and divided by 26 divided by 2. Numerator and denominator divided by 2. We get a value 288 by 13. In a triangle ABD. ABD value AB square plus AD square equal to BD square. 10 square plus 24 square. So 10 square 100, 24 square 24 square 4, 576. So 576. So 576 plus 100, 676. So we get the value 26 square. 26 square. BD equal to 26. Angle ABD is a right angle triangle. Angle ABD is a right angle triangle. Ritika buys an LED TV which has a 25 inches screen. If its height is 7 inches, how wide is the screen? Her TV cabinet is a 20 inches wide. Will the TV fit into the cabinet? Why? So in a triangle, draw a diagonal, split into the equal two right angle triangle. 25 inches, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 25, and find the value C equal to. Find the value C. So in a Pythagorean triplet, so B square is equal to A square plus CC square. 25 A square 5 square. Sorry, B square 5 square equal to A square value 7 square plus C square. So 7 square plus C square equal to 25. 7 square value B equal to 25 square. So C square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square value 625. 625 minus 49. We get a value 576. So C square is equal to 24 square. C equal to 24. A ramp is constructed in a hospital as shown. Find the length of a ramp. Take A is equal to 7 feet. B is equal to 24 feet. By Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to C square plus B square. 7 square plus 24 square. 49 plus 576. 24 square 576. L equal to 25 feet. If triangle APK is an isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. So right angle triangle at K, prove that AP square is equal to 2AK square. 2AK square. From the figure, triangle APK is a right angle triangle. APK is a right angle triangle. So AP square equal to AK square plus PK square. AK square plus PK square. So AK square plus AK square 2AK square. 2AK square. Hence it is proved. Triangle APK, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagorean theorem. AP square equal to AK square plus PK square. So PK square equal to AK square. So AK square plus AK square 2AK square. Hence it is proved. So that is a isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, one side is different, that is a isosceles triangles. In the figure, find AR. A to R. Find the value of A to R. Then next split in a triangle. Split into the triangle in a two parts. Two parts. Triangle AFI. Triangle FRI. Triangle AFI. Triangle FRI. Then Pythagoras theorem. AF square equal to AT square plus minus FT square. So AT square 25 square minus FT square 15 square. So 25 square 625 minus 225. So 400. 400 we get a value 20 square. AF is equal to 20 feet. FR square is equal to RI square minus FI square. 17 square minus 15 square. 289 minus 225. So we get a value 64. So 64 is square root of 8. So FR is equal to 8 feet. AR is equal to AF plus FR. So AF value 20, FR value 8. So added 28 feet. So find AR base value, find the base value. Triangle AFI, triangle FRI or right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. AF square is equal to 80 square minus FT square. 80 square 25 square and FT square 15 square. 25 square value 625, 15 square value 225. So subtracted 400, we get a value 400. So 20 square AF is equal to 20 feet. FR square is equal to RI square minus FI square. 17 square minus 15 square. 289 minus 225. So 64. So 64 square root 8 square. Then FR is equal to 8 feet. AR is equal to AF plus FR. 20 plus 8 equal to 28 feet. Check whether given sides are the sides of a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17. A equal to 8, B is equal to 50, C equal to 17. Already know that. So, Pythagorean theorem, substitute the value of A, B equal to C. 64 plus 225, we get the value 289. 289 square root 17 square. Then C square 289. So, hence it is proved. Next one is a triangle AFI. So same method of the pattern. In a triangle PQR, PS is a median and Q is equal to 3.5 cm. Find QR. So PS is the median, QS equal to 3.5 cm, QS equal to RS. QS equal to RS value 3.5 cm. QR is equal to QS plus SR. 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 cm. QR value 7 cm. Name the orthocenter. Name the orthocenter triangle PQR. Angle P equal to 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. P is a orthocenter. That is a P is a orthocenter in a right angle triangle. Orthocenter is a vertex containing 90 degree. Vertex containing 90 degree. 90 degree means orthocenter. Find the length and support of the cable required to support the tower with the floor. From the figure, by Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to 20 square plus 15 square. 20 square value 400 plus 15 square is equal to 400 plus 225, 625. X square is equal to 25 square. 25 feet. So square cancel. X is equal to 25. The length of the support of the cable required to the support tower with the floor is 25 feet. Thank you. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.